In division so far, we have seen the concrete form and the abstract form. We mentioned that representational level or the R stage does not exist. That is because as we distribute to more people, we cannot represent the whole group. I will use an example. I have 393 rupees. I have to give it to three people. Who are these three people? This is one. This is the second person. This is the third. One, two, three. In 393 units, tens, hundreds. These three places are there. What did we say during division? Everyone should get something in each place. They have to get something. Sometimes they will get something, sometimes they don't get it. If they don't get it, we have to show it that they did not get anything. Let us see in this example, if everyone has to get in all places, we can look at it this way: units, tens, hundreds. I have three notes of 100. Why should we begin from hundreds? That is because in division, we have to start from the highest place. 100 is the highest place value here. When we begin here, we have 3 in hundreds and we have to give it to 3 people. So each one gets 100 rupees. Each one gets 1. I have given all 100 notes I have. Now I have 9 notes of 10 rupees. How much will each person get? 9 notes to be given out to 3 people. So each one gets 3 10 rupees notes. Each person gets 3 notes. That's a possibility. Person 2 gets 3 10 rupees notes. Person 2 also gets 3 10 rupee notes. Person 3 also gets 10 rupees notes. So 3, 6, 9. I have exhausted all 10 rupees notes. Now I have 3 1 rupee notes. Everyone gets 1 rupee note. This is how we solve it by representation. Similarly, instead of 3 people, if we were to share it to 13 people, we will have no space to write 13 times in this representation method. Or we may have to turn the page and see how to distribute. So, in the representation stage, when people to be distributed are in a large number, the representation form extends and makes it bulky and makes it cumbersome to write in the square line notebook. Hence, we avoid the representation stage as much as possible. We do division from concrete to abstract. We do it through conversation. So, how much did each one get? One got 100, 30, and 1. So, 131. Did each one get the same? 131? Same here. 131. So, everyone got 131. And if we add it all up, we get 393. This is the pictorial stage. That is, it can be called representational, but unlike the previous representational stage, we didn't make 9 groups. A house with 9 rooms, we can show it in that way also, but I will continue here. This is 100, this is 10, this is unit. 100, 10, unit. 9 squares in every house. In the hundreds place, how many rooms are full? Just one, since there is just 100. 3 squares in the place of 10, just one square in the units. Similarly, 100 here and here, 3 tens and 1 unit each here. Even here, I got 131, 131 even here, and 131. So, if we use pictorial and representational stage to show distribution of 393 to 3 people, each one will get 131. This may be seen very clearly when we use the square line notebook and solve a problem.